Help 911 protect you and your family. Nashville Emergency Communications now offers a free service to help you and your family when you call 911 for police, fire, and EMS to better locate you. Do you have a medical issue? Is a family member handicapped or has Alzheimer's? Maybe you have small children in your home. Signing up provides first responders information to help assist you in an emergency. This information can include any valuable information you feel may be critical, such as photos, medical issues, and your current location. Smart 911 is 100% private. Sign up today at smart911.com.